It's Kiwi's Cooking Crew. Today what I'm making is the Olive Garden Copycat recipe for the steak Gorgonzola. So now I have my ribeye steak. Yep, that's the one. And also for this recipe, you're gonna need some Gorgonzola cheese, some Romano cheese, as well as some Parmesan cheese. Next I got my heavy cream from Kroger's, my spinach, my butter, as well as some fettuccine noodles. So with this ribeye steak, you definitely want to go ahead and drench it in some Worcestershire sauce, W sauce, if you can't say it, with your seasonings. And you just want to make sure that you rub it in really good on both sides. Next, in a hot pan, you want to have some butter and some flour. That way we can get our sauce a little thick, and you just want to mix that up until it's all mixed in really good around your pan. And then after you do that and get that good and mixed up, you want to go ahead and add in your heavy cream and just let it bubble just a little bit. There's the heavy cream there, and you're going to add some salt, pepper, and all of your other seasonings that will be in the descriptions below. And you just want to mix that in along with some hot sauce and some nutmeg. And then you also want to add a little garlic, minced garlic in there, and your cheeses, and just let everything melt. But just add your cheese a little bit at a time and just mix it all together. And once you get it all together and bubbly, you're going to just add your spinach in it, and then you just set it to the side. And for your pasta, I add the chicken bouillon seasoning along with some salt to just flavor that pasta. And then your steak, I save that for last, and you just want to put that in a hot pan with some butter. And if you don't have a griddle, you can use a cast iron skillet. And then now here we are adding pasta to that little bowl there. And of course I made a mess, but I'll get that cleaned up just for the finishing photo. And once you get that added in, you're gonna add your sliced beef there. That's the good old ribeye. Look at that great redness in there. It's gonna be so good and juicy. And your Gorgonzola cheese. Once you get all your Gorgonzola, you're gonna just go ahead and add your Balsamic Glaze there, and you're gonna add some parsley just for some prettiness, as well as your paprika. If you like what you see, please make sure to like, subscribe, tell all of your friends. Until next time, bye.